Capricorn, the zodiac of January 1st. Individuals born on January 1st fall under the Capricorn zodiac sign, an earth sign ruled by the planet Saturn. As the first sign of the calendar year, Capricorns born on this day embody a unique blend of ambition, discipline, and practicality. Let's explore the defining traits, strengths, challenges, and influences of these January 1st Capricorns. General traits of Capricorns. Capricorns are known for their steadfast nature, which often makes them seem wise beyond their years. They are highly goal-oriented individuals, driven by a desire to achieve success and build a secure and stable life. January 1st Capricorns, in particular, are influenced by the fresh energy of the new year, making them especially determined to set and accomplish lofty goals. Key traits include 1. Ambition. They have a deep desire to excel and often set high standards for themselves. 2. Discipline. They possess a natural ability to stay focused and committed to their plans. 3. Practicality. Capricorns are realistic thinkers who prefer a methodical approach to problem solving. 4. Loyalty. They are dependable and trustworthy, often forming strong and lasting bonds with others. 5. Reserved nature. While they may appear distant at first, Capricorns are deeply emotional and value meaningful connections. Strengths of January 1st Capricorns. Capricorns born on January 1st are among the most ambitious and capable individuals in the zodiac. Their birth date aligns with the start of the year, reinforcing their ability to focus on fresh starts and long-term planning. 1. Natural leaders. They excel in positions of authority because of their ability to think strategically and remain composed under pressure. 2. Hard workers. Their discipline makes them reliable and consistent, often leading to significant achievements in their careers and personal lives. 3. Resilience. Capricorns are not easily deterred by challenges. They view obstacles as opportunities for growth. 4. Grounded and practical. As an earth sign, they are deeply connected to reality, which helps them make sound decisions based on logic and reason. Challenges for January 1st Capricorns. While their strengths are impressive, Capricorns born on this day also face certain challenges that stem from their zodiac's influence. 1. Perfectionism. They often place immense pressure on themselves to succeed, leading to stress or burnout. 2. Emotional reserve. Their reserved nature can make it difficult for others to understand their true feelings, sometimes leading to misunderstandings in relationships. 3. Overcautiousness. Capricorns tend to avoid taking risks, which can limit their potential for growth in some situations. 4. Work-life imbalance. Their ambition can sometimes cause them to prioritize career over personal relationships. Capricorn's element, Earth. The Earth element is central to Capricorn's personality. It symbolizes stability, practicality, and a deep connection to the material world. January 1st Capricorns are grounded individuals who value structure, routine, and tangible results. They are excellent at turning ideas into reality, using their strong work ethic to achieve their goals. Capricorn's ruling planet, Saturn. Saturn, the planet of discipline, responsibility, and wisdom, exerts a powerful influence on Capricorns. For those born on January 1st, Saturn amplifies their natural tendency to work hard and learn from life's challenges. Discipline and structure. Saturn helps Capricorns develop a strong sense of responsibility and a methodical approach to achieving their goals. Life lessons. This planet teaches patience and resilience through obstacles, ensuring Capricorns grow stronger through adversity. Caution and boundaries. Saturn instills a preference for structure and rules, making January 1st Capricorns wary of unnecessary risks. Personality and relationships. Capricorns born on January 1st are deeply loyal and value meaningful connections, but they often approach relationships cautiously. They take their time to open up, preferring to build trust gradually. Once they commit, they are incredibly devoted and dependable partners. In friendships, they prefer quality over quantity, surrounding themselves with people who share their values and ambitions. Key traits in relationships. Dependable, Capricorns are unwavering in their support for loved ones. Protective, they take their responsibilities seriously, often putting others' needs above their own. Romantic but reserved, while not overly expressive, their actions speak louder than words. Career and ambitions. Capricorns born on January 1st are naturally suited for careers that require focus, discipline, and long-term planning. They excel in roles that allow them to climb the ladder of success steadily, as they thrive on structure and progression. Ideal careers. Leadership roles, CEOs, managers. Finance and accounting. Architecture and engineering. Medicine and law. Entrepreneurship. Their work ethic ensures they succeed in almost any field they choose, but their challenge lies in maintaining a balance between work and personal life. Health and well-being. Capricorns are prone to stress because of their high expectations and relentless pursuit of success. It is crucial for January 1st Capricorns to prioritize self-care and find ways to relax. Health tips for Capricorns. 1. Stay active. Regular physical activity helps them release built-up tension. 2. Mindfulness. Practices like meditation or yoga can help them manage stress. 3. Social connection. Spending time with loved ones helps them maintain emotional balance. Compatibility with other zodiac signs. Capricorns born on January 1st tend to connect best with individuals who share their values and complement their strengths. Most compatible signs. Taurus, both are earth signs, creating a stable and harmonious relationship. Virgo, practical and detail-oriented, Virgos match Capricorn's discipline. Scorpio, the passion and intensity of Scorpios balance Capricorn's reserved nature. Pisces, Pisces' emotional depth softens Capricorn's stoic tendencies. Least compatible signs. Aries, Aries' impulsiveness can clash with Capricorn's cautious nature. Gemini, the carefree attitude of Gemini may frustrate goal-driven Capricorn. The legacy of January 1st Capricorns. Those born on January 1st carry the energy of new beginnings and endless possibilities. Their Capricorn traits of ambition, discipline, and resilience make them natural achievers and leaders. While their journey may be marked by challenges, their ability to persevere ensures they leave a lasting legacy in whatever they pursue. With Saturn as their guide and the Earth as their grounding force, January 1st Capricorns are destined to build lives of meaning, purpose, and success.